Don't miss the second annual TRC Street Kings event held at Palm Beach International Raceway, February 16th, 2019. What's up, guys? Javier from That Racing Channel. We're out here at GTR World Cup, Bradenton Motorsports Park, and we found this really beautiful full carbon Skyline R33. So here with my man Nick and Christian. Nick's never been in any type of old school like JDM Skyline platform, so we're gonna let him go for a ride in this 33 and get to experience that. So we'll give you a look into this, in-depth look into this GTR here. And this is not a wrap. It is full carbon. I mean, it is just nuts. What's up, my man? This thing is gorgeous.
Thank you, man.
Go ahead and give us a rev. Jesus. That is wicked, my man. All right, man, you ready to do this? I know you love the Skylines. Yes, sir. So we're out here with Jason and his beautiful R33 GTST Skyline, full carbon fiber build. Want to give us any other details on the build, man?
Full carbon fiber, fully built, precision turbo, 6466, E85, basic good amount of power. That's about it.
Gotcha. Do you know how much power exactly or roughly?
A lot.
A lot? Respect that. So GTST, rear wheel drive. RB25, you said a Tomei RB25?
Yes.
Awesome, awesome. Looks good, pulls good. Can't beat that.
I can't. And they say the R33s are underdogs.
Yeah, yeah. Everyone's always talking shit on the R33s, man.
And it's either a 32 or 34.
Yep. I have such a soft spot for these cars, man.
You know, I have a 34 as well, and I still love my 33 regardless.
Hell yeah. How long have you had the car?
I've had this car for about 5 years now. It was awesome. It was bone stock when I got it. Had nothing done to it. Under the exhaust.
Awesome. Very cool.
Yeah, I was at SEMA last year, or last year before that. And people were banging on it.
Oh, I would have been
People
pissed.
opening my doors up, trying to slam it, trying to see the structure of my car.
That's awful.
Yeah.
That's so disrespectful.
It is.
Yeah, man, what a car. This is like, even just riding in this thing is a dream for me, man. I really appreciate it.
No problem, man.
Skyline fever?
Yep. If I didn't have it before, now it's 100 times worse.
Nice, man. Let's get a shot of this. Thanks so much for showing us the car, man.
Anytime, man.
Ooh. What size turbo is it?
6466.
Nick loved it, man. He's got the fever now. So we're gonna give you a quick close-up walk around, because a lot of people might not believe this is just a full carbon, but you know, just to give us an idea, like none of this is wrapped, right? Like
Nothing's wrapped.
wow, man, that's wild.
That's the only is overlaid.
And you got the accents.
Yes. Well, no, it's overlaid with real carbon.
With the carbon fiber here.
Yes.
On the wheels, that is sick. So this is overlaid with real carbon, the roof. Other than that, it's all carbon. I mean, how long did that take to do?
I've been building it for about 5 years.
5 years.
5 years.
That's some dedication. Yep. I'm gonna have to give you a TRC approved for that one.
I'm doing 34 right now. It's 9 months.
Oh, 34 too? You're living the dream.
Yes.
And is that one gonna have it like, is it gonna be carbon as well, or?
It's gonna be full carbon.
Really?
Everything's already ordered.
You love your carbon.
Carbon ring, carbon watch.
That's awesome.
Carbon wallet, everything's carbon.
So, what year R34?
It's a 99.
Nice. So we'll have to plug a little clip in here for the fans, and once it's done, we'll have to follow up with you and do another video.
Definitely.
Nice. Are you gonna do any different type of body kit or anything like that, or is it
Full Z-Tune.
Z-Tune?
Yeah.
Wow. So you guys are like replicating the Z-Tune full carbon.
Yes.
You're a madman. In a good way.
Yeah.
Oh, that's sick. You gotta love the plate too. Nice little JDM touch there.
2 years strong. One time. And the comp's actually pretty cool about it.
Got pulled over only one time?
With that plate, yeah.
Oh my god.
He wanted to see the plate and out. He's like,
Oh, so you just carry the plate inside the car? Nice. And you ruined me.
Oh, so what's that mean?
Give you a shot of the interior here. Some Brad seats. Oh, nitrous bottle hiding back there? Uh-oh, he's shushing me. He's shushing me. All right, we can't talk about that. All right, guys, Javier from TRC signing off. See you guys next time.